Engine's complete. Just been sleeping a long time. Hoses are tired, belts are worse, but she's all here.
Think she can run again?
With patience. And a little faith.
Sign right there, sir. All right. And now you. There, done.
Guess this makes it official.
It does. She starts a new chapter with you.
I'll take good care of her.
Easy, keep it straight. A little more left.
You're good on this side. Keep rolling.
Gate's opening now. Watch the left.
Copy.
Slow and steady.
Flat's clear in the corner. Keep coming.
Looks good. We're
All
almost
right,
out.
straight to the rebuild, folks.
Steam lifts years of travel from the fabric, and the blue comes back to life. Frames tightened, rails polished, floor washed clean. Every detail brought back in line. Comfort returns seat by seat, step by step.
It's like new again.
A bus.
All right, lights are clear. Ready when you are.
Let's wake her up. Smooth as smooth.
Brakes feel good, she's holding straight.
Solid back here. Nice work.
All that time in the shop pays off.
Tires are solid. You kept it in great shape.
She earned it. Glad it's going to someone who'll keep her moving.
Transfer just cleared.
Then she's all yours.
Thank you. We'll take good care of her.